front and rear bike lighting, but often overlook the importance of side visibility. Light up your evening rides while staying seen and safe with the Spokelit from Nite Ize. The ring of light the Spokelit creates on your moving wheel provides active visibility and, of course, an undeniably cool look. Available in blue, green, red LEDs and color-changing disco, which continuously cycles through the color spectrum, these lights increase your visibility on after-hour adventures. The Spokelit has 2 modes. Press once for steady glow and twice for flashing. Click the light one more time to turn it off when the fun is moving on. The long-lasting LED lights are water-resistant and will fit most 3-spoke cross-pattern wheels. To install the Spokelit, simply press one of these notches into a spoke, then slide the light up towards your rim. Friction securely locks the Spokelit in place, even if your ride gets a bit bumpy. The 2 2016 lithium batteries are easy to replace and will keep you glowing for 20 hours or flashing for 25. Used in combination with front and rear lights, you can stay seen and safe at every angle as you cruise about, having a blast with Spokelits from Nite Ize.
you love to cook, then you don't want to waste time worrying about safety in the kitchen. You want to spend more time doing what you do best. The GNF CUTShield food-grade cut-resistant gloves protect your hands from accidents in the kitchen. They are specially designed for cut and slash protection from knives in food prep, so you can worry less and enjoy cooking more. Rated at the highest levels on the standard test for cut resistance in gloves, they stand up to the challenges of slicing and dicing in everyday work. The glove material is FDA compliant, so it's totally safe to touch food with. They are tough enough for high-volume commercial kitchens and a top-tier choice for home use, keeping your hands and your family's food safe. The cut-resistant gloves are made from our CUTShield fiber blend technology, making them 4 times stronger than leather and impermeable to cuts. Slide a blade right over the fabric and you won't feel a thing. Knives, peelers, and mandolins are no match for the cut-resistant gloves. Get the CUTShield food-grade cut-resistant gloves from GNF Products for your work or home. Your hands will thank you for it.